Hey guys, this is just an update on my John Deere la135. Haven't really done much with it. Besides, took the deck off a couple months ago. Cleaned. It's dirty again, but can't really see because it's dark in here. But we cleaned it all up, put a new belt on it. Sharpened the blades, cleaned all the crap out of the deck, changed the oil. Haven't really done much with it. Thought I'd do a start for you. It's a 22 horsepower overhead valve V-twin John Deere. Should be a cold start. It probably hasn't been, well, it hasn't been started in 4 months. Okay. Full joke. Shove the clutch apart. Where'd it go? Let's see, how many hours does it have? Can't see it, but it says 88.8 hours. Lights work. Alright. Alright, that's her. Comment, rate, and subscribe.